Welcome to Trickey's Kitchen, where delicious food is made easy. Today, Trickey will show you how to make Semolina Upma in the microwave. Upma is traditionally a South Indian breakfast dish and is now commonly enjoyed all across the region. Full of warmth, flavor, and deliciousness, it is quick and easy to make and makes a nice change to the morning breakfast routine. So let's get started with the ingredients. These are the ingredients for preparing the Semolina Upma. The method: add the semolina to a microwave safe bowl and spread it out. Then microwave on high for 2 minutes. Please note we want to lightly roast the semolina so do not burn. Then remove, toss and set aside. Note the timings given are for a 1000 watt microwave, so increase or decrease the timings to adjust accordingly. Now take another microwave safe bowl and add in the oil, mustard seeds, Urad Dal, also known as split and skinned black gram, and Channa dal, also known as split Bengal gram lentil. Mix, then microwave on high for 2 minutes. Then remove and toss. Now add in the curry leaves, grated ginger, green chillies and the onion. Please note the dish gets its spiciness from the green chillies, so increase or decrease the amount of green chillies to suit your spice levels. Give it a mix and microwave on high for 2 minutes. Then remove and mix again. Now add in the tomatoes and frozen green peas. Give it a mix. Microwave on high for 2 minutes. Remove and mix. Now add the lightly roasted semolina that we had set aside, the salt and the sugar. Mix well. Microwave on high for 2 minutes. Then remove and mix. Now add hot boiling water and mix well. Please note we prefer the dish to be grainy and fluffy, but you can feel free to add more water to adjust the consistency and texture of the dish to your liking. Give it a mix and microwave on high for 2 minutes. Then remove and give it a mix again. Add in the ghee and garnish with chopped green coriander. Mix. Then microwave on high for 1 minute. Please note the cooking time is dependent on the wattage of the microwave, so adjust the cooking time accordingly. Then remove, mix. This is a good time to squeeze lemon juice if required. Lastly, serve with lemon wedges, lime and chili chutney and spiced chutney powder, and enjoy with a refreshing hot cup of masala chai or filter coffee. And there you have it, Semolina Upma, full of warmth, flavor and deliciousness. So thank you for stopping by. I do hope you will give this recipe a try. Have lots of fun in the process as you toy, and most of all, don't forget to enjoy. Trickey's Kitchen has lots of other delicious recipes that you would like to try out, so be sure to click on the video link on your screen right now and watch another video. And subscribe to Trickey's Kitchen if you haven't yet for more delicious recipes.